My name is Lily, 22 years old. Standing in my Portland apartment. The rain taps the window. Street lights cast a soft glow. But my heart is a storm of pain. I fell in love with Mark, a 45-year-old man. His steady voice, his warm eyes, made me feel safe, like I'd found home. But when I took him to meet Mom, my world shattered. That night, I lay in Mark's arms. His heart beat steady, like a lighthouse in the dark. Mark, will Mom like you? You're so much older. What if she says no? He kissed my forehead. Lily, we love each other. She'll see that. I smiled. But a shadow lingered in my heart, like a warning. We live in a cozy Portland house, near a bustling food cart street. Mom, Claire, is 43. Elegant and strong. She raised me alone after Dad passed away. Her smile was my anchor. I thought her love was my guide. But I was wrong. The next day, we went to Mom's place, carrying bags of groceries as a peace offering. Mom, I'm home, I called out. Claire came out of the kitchen, flour on her cheeks, her smile bright. Until she saw Mark. Her face froze, like she'd seen a ghost. Mark, is that you? Her voice trembled. I frowned. You know each other? Mark nodded slowly. Lily, your mom and I were in college together. Claire's eyes flashed with something I couldn't read. Lily, can you give us a minute? I hesitated, but went to my old room, my heart racing. I pressed my ear to the door. Claire's voice was low. Mark, you broke my heart back then. I wrote you letters for a year. My breath caught. Letters. Mom loved him. Mark's voice was heavy. Claire, I didn't know. I chose someone else. I'm with Lily now. I pushed the door open. Mom, is this true? Her eyes filled with tears. Lily, I'm sorry. I never stopped loving him. My heart cracked, like glass underfoot. The next few days, I watched them closely. Claire was too kind to Mark, bringing him coffee, laughing at his jokes. Her eyes lingered on him, like he was hers. I started to notice Mark avoiding my gaze. When she was near, my stomach twisted. Was he slipping away? Then came the night. Everything fell apart. I opened the guest room door. The lamplight dim, like a fading dream. Claire's perfume filled the air, sweet and suffocating. She stood by Mark's bed, in a silk robe, slipping off her shoulder, her skin glowing, like moonlight on water. Her hand rested on his arm, her eyes soft and hungry. Mark sat up, his shirt unbuttoned, hair messy, like he'd been caught. Lily. It's not what it looks like. His voice cracked. Claire stepped back, her robe falling further, like a wilting flower. Lily. I got carried away. I kissed him. I'm sorry. Her tears spilled, glittering in the light, like broken diamonds. I stared at them, my voice shaking. Kissed him. My mom. Kissed my boyfriend. The room spun. Mark stood up. Lily. I pushed her away. I love you. But I saw the guilt in his eyes, the perfume on his shirt. I screamed. You both betrayed me. My heart torn to pieces. I ran out. The rain soaked me, mixing with my tears. The street lights blurred, like my broken dreams. I moved out to a small apartment in downtown Portland. Claire called me, sobbing apologies, saying she was lost in the past. But I couldn't listen. Her robe, Mark's guilty face, haunted my nights. Mark texted me long messages of regret, saying it was a mistake. But I deleted them. My heart too raw. A year later, I heard Claire moved to Salem, living alone. Mark stayed in Portland, running a small bar. I avoided him, but the pain stayed, like a shadow. I started working at a local bakery, trying to rebuild. But every night, I see that room, that robe, that kiss. I miss Mom's hugs, Mark's warm arms. But they're gone, turned to ashes by a moment of weakness. Have you ever lost the ones you loved most? How did you heal? Share in the comments. If you felt this story, please like and subscribe. Your support keeps me going.